Guys, I just want to say who you are off the stage is equally important to who you are on the stage. And I'll explain this. So today, this all got sparked from my kid had a game and the other team was like swearing and doing some things, like making some moves and like that they're really not supposed to do. Now, why do I bring this up? Because I had to have the conversation with my son about how, and he gets it, which I love. For him, we always evaluate what is his effort. Did he put in a good amount of effort? Because that is crucial, right? If you're not putting in your 100%, then you have to take a look there. But if you're putting in your 100% and things don't go how you wanted to, all right, it's just that it's not your day for that, right? But if you're putting in the effort, you will eventually arise to the occasion where you are going to be met with what you want or what it is your outcome you're looking for. It's just that you're just going to have to go through those tiers of life. It is what it is, right? But you can't lose if you don't quit. And it can be very easy to quit when you're looking and you're seeing stuff that just doesn't seem fair, right? You just want to walk away from that. You want to blow that all, that scene, or that, walk away from it. That. But it's the ones who continue to put in the effort despite the outcome and continue on with it that will reap the rewards. And it also is equally important to understand that like how you are on the field and off the field is so important because it's character. It's how you sit with yourself. It's how you feel internally that is going to help you live a better life. It's not always about the goals. It's huge and that's important and how you achieve those, but maintaining them in a healthy way that you can walk away and be proud of who you are. Because guys, when I was facing like, truth is like with cancer, when they're giving you, and this is legit, they give you papers to sign, like you can die. I had to kind of confront a lot of different things. And I think that's why I'm just so passionate about, yes, be motivated, work towards your goals, do what you need to do, but also like be a good person, right? We all had crappy situations and been not the greatest of people. I get that. And hopefully people are learning from that. But then just kind of like that nice reiteration of like, this is what's important, right? Because we know when we're not being great people at times, right? And so, and it can be hard in an industry, going back to the music, where people feel like they just want to do things to get ahead and they don't always maintain their integrity. And I would tell you, that's when you see the people at the top that are just not happy. They've achieved everything. And it's like, why are they not happy? They've gotten like so much. Because somewhere along the way, they lost a piece of themselves and they're going to have to find it and get there. But I would say it is not worth it to compromise who you are to get something. Your character on the stage and off the stage, equally important.